Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's sets tutorial, we will learn how to find someone on Discord using their data. There are a few different ways to find someone on Discord. You can add them as a friend and start messaging. The most common and easiest way is by using a username. If you want someone to find you or you want to find someone else, you need to share your usernames with each other. To find your username, go to Settings in the bottom left corner. Hover over your name. As you can see, there are two types of names. The larger one is your display name, and the smaller one is your username. You need to share your username. If you want to add someone as a friend, if you already have someone else's username that you want to add, go to the top left and open Direct Messages. Click on Direct Messages, then click Add Friend. Paste their username into the field and send the friend request. Once the request is accepted, you can click on their profile and start messaging. If they send you a friend request instead, you will see it in the pending section. You can accept it from there. If adding someone by username does not work, another method is using a Discord user ID. To get a Discord user ID, go to User Settings. Scroll down until you find the Advanced option. Enable developer mode, then go back. Now go to any server. I will show you how to copy a user ID. Right-click on the user you want. Click Copy User ID. After copying the user ID, open your preferred web browser. In this case, open Google Chrome and search for a Discord ID lookup tool. Paste the copied ID and press Enter. As you can see, the user information is displayed successfully. This includes the name, username, and account creation date. In this video, we learned how to find someone on Discord using a username or user ID, and how to send and accept friend requests. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial videos.